Item. SCP-926. Object Class. Safe. Special Containment Procedures. When not in use, SCP-926 is to be unstrung and stored in the temperature and humidity controlled case constructed for that purpose, and locked in Research Chamber 5688A. Testing of SCP-926 is suspended pending confirmation of the excavation and recovery of all responsive statues. See test log below. Description: SCP-926 is a Guqin, or 7-stringed Chinese zither, dated to the 2nd or 3rd century BCE. The top of the sound chamber is constructed of the wood of an ancient, and now extinct, cultivar of the Fermiana simplex tree. The base is composed of wood from Catalpa ovata. The exterior of the instrument is coated with a lacquer of unknown composition, with surface duanwen, or crack patterns, that superficially resemble archaic Chinese logographs. The back of the instrument bears a calligraphic inscription in archaic Chinese reading the King of Qin commands. The instrument was unstrung when collected by the Foundation, but its case included a leather pouch containing a quantity of instrument strings of twisted silk. The instrument was recovered by local farmers from a funerary site in Lintong District, Shaanxi Province, China in 1974. After the Guqin was unearthed, cleaned and restrung, a local traditional musician strummed a few notes on the instrument. The consequent subterranean disturbance led to the discovery of thousands of terracotta human and animal statues that had been buried in a hitherto undiscovered imperial necropolis in the vicinity of the site of the Guqin's discovery. SCP-926 appears to function as a command or control instrument for the terracotta figures. The figures are of molded clay construction unremarkable apart from their excellent state of preservation. Each figure depicts a life-sized human, or an animal such as a horse, pig or falcon. The statues depicting humans vary in dress, height, uniform and hairstyle in accordance with their apparent rank and the duty of the human depicted. For example, military figures of various ranks, scribes, craftsmen, musicians, cooks, laborers, farmers, scholars and so on. Despite their clay construction, the statues have been demonstrated to be capable of movement and other actions when, but only when, given commands by means of the Guqin. The Guqin's command syntax is still poorly understood at this point due to limitations on testing. Partial test log follows. See Wiki for full document and table.